Get to know the current political issues, the real stories behind the headlines. Get interactive. My Politics with Barrit. Only here on MyTV Cebu.
Good evening, my dear televiewers. Once again, welcome to our weekly show, My Politics. This is your host, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is a mayor of one of the first-class municipalities of the province of Cebu, a youngest mayor of the municipality of Daan Bantayan, a former board member. Let's welcome Mayor San Hudal Shimura. Good evening, Mayor. Kumusta?
Good evening, Sir Art, and good evening to our televiewers and to our listeners, and of course in Tri-Media, and of course I'm saying Tri-Media kaya na naman sa social media.
Exactly,
no? The last
yes.
one is social media. So good day, good evening to each and everyone.
Okay. Mayor Shimura, now you have been infected with the coronavirus disease. And of course, I know that you're already okay na as far as your kidney infection is concerned. Actually, how is our COVID-19 situation in your municipality, Mayor Shimura?
Yes, thank you, Sir Art. No, so far, since March, we have been battling the unseen enemy, and I myself have experienced this infection, this virus,
Okay.
And so far, since March, we have now 95 cases in the municipality of Daan Bantayan, but we have already 73 recoveries, 73 recoveries, one death, which it was declared also by DOH na the person who died is not did not died of COVID-19 but died of cardiovascular.
Okay.
But when he was swabbed in the hospital, even if he already died in the ambulance, and then he swabbed sa hospital, it came out positive ang ihang test. But
Okay.
he was declared as a having a cardiovascular disease, the cause of the death. Right now in the municipality, actually I have another 15 cases of COVID-19, but I still have remaining 6 individuals in our quarantine or isolation facility. So I have a running 21 active cases in my municipality right now, which is taken care of by our health workers.
That is ang atuang latest, Mayor Shimura. 15 ka mga positive.
Yes, sir.
Kining coronavirus inunta ato ang mga victims
Yes, sir.
or patients
Yes, sir.
na to.
And
Okay.
all of yes, sir. During the IATF Interagency Task Force COVID-19 in the municipality of Daan Bantayan, which I have every week, every Monday. Sometimes we go if the situation calls for another meeting, then we do it usually on Monday and Thursday, no?
Okay.
So yesterday we had a meeting with all the sectors, all the barangay captains in my 20 barangays, including our parish priests in our municipality, since na may coming na activity good, which is the Undas, no? Our All Souls and All Saints Day.
Okay.
So I had a meeting earlier because we have new memorandums and resolutions from the national IATF. So yesterday it came out again na I have a new cases because of our returning OFW, sir, because ubay-ubay man gid mi ang among lungsod. We have at least 7,000
7,000 OFWs. Okay.
individuals. Yes. Yes.
So
This
mostly
is under the
kani Mayor Shimura, mostly mga seafarers or klase-klase?
Seafarers and offshore drilling, yun, pagdagan gaya na mo.
Okay.
Offshore drilling. So mao gyud ni sila ang dako kayo bulk sa among OFWs, ang ato ang offshore drillings, seafarers, and of course ang ato ang mga domestic helpers,
Okay.
no, na apod tay record.
Okay. Now, Mayor Shimura, of the 20 barangays sa imuhang lungsod, how many isolation facilities or isolation centers you have?
Before, during the time na wala pa ni balik ang klase, Sir Art, we have clustered two
Nice.
clustered isolation facility mo nitong mga schools gigamit. But since gikuha na sa DepEd ang maong mga classrooms, of course we wanted to have a safe environment for our teachers also and our students kung ibalik paunta ang klase, but since ang mga teachers ay gipabalik, so ni pull out me, I requested our national housing authorities to use one of our atong housing projects, no? And then luckily, thankfully, we are given the chance to use 50 houses, no, sa NHA.
Okay.
So right now muna mo ato ang gigamit as isolation facility.
Okay. Mayor Shimura, how about your LSI, your local stranded individuals coming from the city of Cebu, from Mandawi, Lapu-Lapu, and other component cities in the province? Wa ba ka na problema, ani?
So far, sir, it was being handled by before katong ECQ pa and then GCQ pa ang probinsya. It was handled very well by katong protocols were handled very well sa province of Cebu, no? And I must commend the governor, si Governor Gwen, since every time na atoy bag-o nga mga changes, especially pag mo-release na ang presidente nato, si PRRD, presidente mo release siya og bag-o nga guidelines for the municipalities and cities. Mag-meeting gyud mis mga mayor ato with the governor.
Okay.
And so far LSI gyud namo is taken care very well, no? So far wala pa koy LSI nga nag-positive. It's more on ang akuang cases before. Gamay ra man gid unta kayo ang Daan Bantayan. It's more on patients nga kaning mga may underlying illnesses like nag-undergo og dialysis, nag-undergo og other treatments. Mo na usually igbalik ma-positive. Pero karon it's the cases of Daan Bantayan, it's more on the returning OFWs.
I see.
Which yesterday during the Interagency Task Force COVID Daan Bantayan, among patungan og medyo stricter protocols, no, when it comes to our returning OFWs. Yes.
So mostly kaninang coming from Ingnonta, Singapore, Hong Kong, and all those mga seafarers, Mayor Shimura, after undergoing health and safety protocols, o niya isolated sila or they'll be in an isolation center for the last 14 days. So before sila makabalik silang pamilya, the usual health and safety protocols mao ginay mo guide nimo o sa ato ang implementation sa programa.
Yeah, Sir Art, yesterday we have decided na again with the executive order of the governor, it depends to our MSWDO, the municipal social worker, and the RHU or the MHO, municipal health officer nato, to determine if the house is conducive for isolation for the returning OFW, then we would recommend him to stay in that room sa iyang balay.
I see.
Since it is much more conducive for him, no, in staying ana iyang pamilya.
Okay.
Although di lang gyud sa siya makihal-halubilo with everybody, but if not conducive ang maong panimalay nila, then we would recommend to put him in our isolation facility. And one thing nga among na-discuss gahapon, which I would also commend our barangay captains na amang good ang ako ang 20 ka kapitan ngadto, Sir Art. They were also requesting me nga i-consider kaning ato ang mga lodging house.
Okay.
Since sirado man gyud ang atong borders, wala pa man gyud kaayoy mga tungod kahadlok siguro sa tao. Pag katong gani, pag August na mga fiesta, puno gyud ning among mga lodging houses and boarding houses and all the resorts dire. But since tungod sa pandemya, affected gyud. So right now we have also included in our protocol if dili conducive ang balay and then they don't want to stay in the isolation facility kay of course layo man ang isa ka barangay namo kaning Tuminhaw, no? So ni-identify sila og mga lodging house for them to stay kaning mga rooms. Depende sa family kay mga ang lodging house namo diri naaraman sa mga tag 500 to 1,000. Ang nindot na kayo ng 1,500. So ganahan sila comfortable na place to be isolated for at least a week. Ang amo ang meeting 3 days, at least 3 days to 1 week, no? Ang ato ang pag-isolate.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. Mayor Shimura, you're a former board member before becoming as municipal mayor. And one of your targets, one of your programs is to improve your district hospital. Now, in this extraordinary times, Mayor Shimura, unsa may imuhang tan-aw sa district hospital in, of course, in Bantayan? Do we have enough budget for the hospital? Kay sa una, imuha ra ba itong gipanghingusgan nga to increase also the budget allocation of in running and operationalization of the district hospital?
Yes, sir. Ang district hospital na to is under the provincial hospital, provincial government.
Okay.
Under the governor. What we did is atong gi counterpartan, no? Ato ang mura siya og tinabangay lang yun. Sa ato ang lungsod ug unsay wala nila, then ato ang gi through our RHU rural health units, ato ang under sa municipal government of Daan Bantayan, si LGU. Right now, we have X-ray machines. During the time ni Mayor Loot, naabot ang gi-appeal niya siyang budget ang X-ray machines, which right now under process na lang ang ordinance to kay ako mo gipa-outro kay ganahan ko ang X-ray machines nga ang bayran igo ra gyud sa film and the reading, which is around 100 to 150 pesos.
I see.
Dako kayo og savings when you say mag-X-ray ka sa private or sa gawas ng hospital o sa gawas ng mga laboratories, that will cost you around 400 to 600 pesos.
Exactly, yes.
So karon akong gipahimo ang ordinance nga around 100 to 150 lang. Kay ang mo reading is at a private laboratory sa Bugo, which will cost us around 50 plus pesos, almost 60 pesos. And then ang katong mga consumables na katong mga films na around sa mga less than mga almost 100 pesos also. So akong gi-meet ang sangguniang bayan, I asked them to make a ordinance to make it at least 150 pesos the most, dili mo sobra, no? Kay I would want it to be very affordable to my constituents. Gani this year 2020 nag-purchase pud me during my term, nag-purchase pud me og kining ato ang sa tawag aning machine, kining ultrasound.
Okay.
This is 3D ultrasound, which is ang RHU mong good is more on sa kaning ato ang lying in hospital, ng mga maternity hospitals, no, kaning mga buntis. So nagpalita og 3D ultrasound. Actually ang kaning gihatag sa atong supplier is 5D na gani kana makita na ang naong. Kanang mahal bitaw kaayo na sa SM, na sa mga laboratories nga mga dagko. So kining mo ni siya ang bag-oro nato. Again, ako na po din gipahimuan og ordinance nga very affordable to our constituents.
Good.
Nga dili gyud gani. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Mayor Shimura, we will discuss more about issues and concerns sa imong municipality, particularly on water issue. Usa ni sa mga problematic nga issue sa uban-usab nga mga municipalities in the province. So for our televiewers, don't go away with our guest this evening, Mayor San Sudal Shimura of Daan Bantayan. Once again, welcome to our weekly show, My Politics. This is your host, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is our municipal mayor of one of the municipalities of the province of Cebu, and is, of course, an awardee as one of the most outstanding Cebuano awards in 2019 on government service. And Mayor of Daan Bantayan, Mayor San Shimura. Mayor Shimura, one of the issues wherein other municipalities is also experiencing is the issue on water. And I think Daan Bantayan has already some water projects and programs being lined up. And unsa may ato ang level karon sa ato ang panubig, Mayor Shimura? Is it level 2? Is it level 3? So, in this time of the COVID-19 pandemic disease, wherein water is one of the ingnunta essential nga gamitonon kaayo for our kining constituents. So, asan ta dapita sa ato ang lungsod?
Yes, Sir Art, with regards to water, way back 2007 sa ako ang first term yun ako. Actually, it was my baptism of fire sa government service. I ran for mayor way back 2007. We have managed to request the LWHA, ang LUA, to have a water district there sa Daan Bantayan. This was a dream that we will be putting up all level 3s in all the barangays in our town. No? Luckily, we were given a grant during that time, a 30 million grant, which ang 50% of it moray bayran sa water district. No?
I see.
Sad to say lang, it was already patched up during the 2008, during sa ako ang term, first term 2007 to 2010. Until nga niabot si Typhoon Yolanda, which damaged na may water district. Sila naman mo nag-manage and everything. Ang sa LGU part, I have counterparted it also. Again, kabangay lang yun gihapon na ay by counterparting in my budget this year, and every year I promise the water district if they will have a budget for the repairs atong naguba pa sa past Yolanda, I will be counterparting it with 3 million pesos every year sa ato ang local budget.
I see.
Local budget. So now, I am very happy also during my term, during ato ang paglingkod as municipal mayor balik diri sa ato ang lungsod since 2019 pagdaog nato, na isa ka bukiran na atong napatubigan, no, og level 3. Before we used to ask the Bureau of Fire to bring water ngadtong barangaya. Sigilang tagbutang-butang og mga drums karon na naslay patubig yun, no, na naslay patubig. Ang uban natong barangays nga wala pa naabot gyud or hinay pa gyud ang source of water, mo na moy ato ang gisigig discuss ron with water district. And again, we are pushing for all level 3 sa ato ang tanan gyud nga barangays.
I see. So Mayor Shimura, is it ang sourcing nato, is it surface water or nagkauta?
Yeah, nagkaut actually na during that again during our first term sa 2007, nianhi diri ang University of San Carlos. Sila mismo ang naghatag og serbisyo for free to check on the source of water. And then we have here our Barangay Lanao, which they found out that pag drill nila, even can supply even up to 3 municipalities.
Wow. Mhm.
So right now, since dako man gid ni ang land area sa Daan Bantayan,
Mm-mm.
our water district board find difficulty lang gyud sa pagpadagayday sa maong mga tubo, no?
Mhm, mhm.
Actually karon ang ilang mga pipes nga gipadagan is around 4, no? 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches
Mhm.
ang diri sa highway. And then ang katong going to interior sitios, ang katong daan nga naa sa highway mo ilang gigamit
I
pod.
see. Do you mean to say
So I told them I told them every year, sir, nga I will put up a budget of 3 million pesos even if nanay water district
Mhm.
ilang naman gid ng responsibility since under sa luwa.
Mm-mm.
But since water man god is water is a basic services good nga which needs to be addressed by any LCE or local chief executive.
Yeah.
So ako gyud gi counterpartan og 3 million a year for this will be for if there's a need for a pump,
Mhm.
a mechanized pump para modagan nga to sa sitio or sa bukiran nga sitio,
Mhm.
or if there's a need for a reservoir
Mhm.
sa going down from kaning mountain barangays dagan pod sa flatland.
Okay. You mean to say, Mayor Shimura, nga ang tanan nimong residents within the poblacion area na anay tubig? You have enough supply of
Yeah,
water?
sa sentro, sir,
Ah.
since naa naman na daan ang aning Daan Bantayan Waterworks Association naa ang Dawasco, and then plus pag yun the water district, Daan Bantayan Water District, sa poblasyon alone sufficient na gid ang water, no, in poblasyon. But I will not be I will be very honest nga ang sa uban barangay which is layo-layo nagsige pa og padung ang ato ang water district. Again, supposedly naabot na gid unta ni, but the water district has been rehabilitating the damage that was given by Yolanda during the 2013, no,
Okay.
super typhoon. So instead unta nga magdagan na siya sa katong mga barangay nga nihit ang tubig, nagbalik na pod sila og rehab until now. But so far, ubay-ubay na gid ang na-rehab, ubay-ubay na ang nabutangan og patubig. As I was saying, ang uban na to nga mga bukiran nga barangay nga walay tubig, niabot na ang tubig ngadto. Niabot na.
Okay. Now, you are the appointing authority, sorry, Mayor, na the water district's board, members of the board, and the operations is under LUA, right? So, imuha ng mga
Yes.
tao, Mayor, no, nga naglingkod diha.
Yeah, actually ato aning mga constituents pod, yes sir.
I see. Now, arita sa laing issue, Mayor, no? I think Bantayan is one of the hotspots when it comes to illegal fishing. So, maunay ato apirming madunggan aside from the Bantayan Island. So, Daan Bantayan and Bantayan Island. But then, you are located in the northern tip of the province of Cebu. And then, one of the issues also nga ato ang madunggan is the illegal fishing. How is your campaign against illegal fishers or illegal fishing, Mayor Shimura?
Yes, thank you, Sir Art, for also bringing this up. This is one issue that my family has been receiving every election alang yun, no. So during my term right now, ubay-ubay gyud ang nadakman mga illegal fishermen from Masbate, from other municipalities, since during the time ni Mayor Loot naghimo man gud this is a bargaining for me, a bargaining ordinance for our fisher folks.
Okay.
Before ang Daan Bantayan, if nakainumdum siguro ang ato ang mga viewers and listeners, way back 2015, lain ang mayor nga naglingkod ato diri sa isa ka coastal barangay nato na nag-scuba diver nga namatay because of dynamite fishing. Before rampant kay ang dynamite fishing sa Daan Bantayan. Karon ang katong barangay nga namatyan og diver, wala naaman ko ron diri nagstay sa amo ang rest house diri sa dagat kay tungod sa atong ako ang naagian nga COVID-19, so diri ko nagstay ron with my family. Wala nagibuto pero buyag. Karon akong giistorya ang ato ang mga bantay dagat, sila akong gi-meeting during my term. I told them akong giutro ang ato ang incentives code sa Daan Bantayan. Sa ato ang ordinance, every illegal fisherman nga madakpan nila, one person is around 2,500 ang multa, no?
I see.
Karon, they have share of 10% of that. That's only 250 pesos. Which for me, muna nga kaniadto makurap ang mga bantay dagat nato, no? Murabag maabi sila, tagaan sila isda sa mga illegal fishermen, tagaan og anything. So karon ako ning gipautro ang atong incentives code, giving them 40% of the 2,500, which is 1,000 pesos per head. This will of course madasig ni silag maayo nga manakop gyud, no? Mo stricto gyud og pangdakop. During my term also, Sir Art, I spoke with the dynamite fishermen amo dis Daan Bantayan. Ako dis nang istorya. I showed them the ordinance. I showed them the ordinance protecting them. Karon nami ordinansa manggod which was passed during the time of Mayor Luot again nga nagaingon nga ang Daan Bantayan nga municipal waters solely belongs to the fishermen of Daan Bantayan.
Okay.
And the vessels sa Daan Bantayan kaning mga sakayan nato.
Okay.
So tanan fishermen dapat magpa-register sila sa ato ang municipal agriculture office nga fisher folk siya. Ilang butangan na mo na og sticker ang ilahang sakayan, and then i-register ang mga boatmen, no? Ang kaning mga sakay sa maong sakayan sa maong pump boat. Now, ang uban nga lungsod like the municipality of Medellin, San Remigio, Bantayan Island, dili na pwedeng makapangisda diri sa municipal waters. Kay aron, this is a bargaining chip for them nga unsa pa may inyo nga nganong maniro pa man mo nga inyo naman ang tanan isda sa Daan Bantayan, inyo na ang dagat. All you have to do is ang pagkugi na lang og himo nga dili may himong illegal ang inyong pagpangisda. So I spoke with all the illegal fishermen ani akong gi-explainan, and then with a very strong message nga once I will caught you and your people doing this illegal fishing gihapon, like ang kaning dynamite fishing, ang kaning magamit og kaning mga hilo sa ilalom sa dagat, pag madakpan mo na mo, then we will file cases nga medyo bugat-bugat gyud nga masakit-sakitan gyud mo sa inyong gasto sa korte.
I see. I met the wife of that diver, Mayor Shimura, no? She is now staying in Marigondon. Is also a diver. Okay. Now, how about the intrusion of the commercial fishers in your municipality, Mayor Shimura? Do you encounter some problems also?
So far, Sir Art, I have been in close coordination with our Chief of Police and our Coast Guard. Naalang diri sa taga-Bugo ramang gud ni ang commercial fishing vessel diri nga dako-dako. Nga sige gyud na gi operationan karon sa akong term, nagpalit mi og speedboat. We have a 150cc nga speedboat diri sa HP horsepower nga speedboat sa municipality sa among bantay dagat. But tungod sa kadako siyang vessel, iya ming guruyon nga sa Bugo. So I told the PNP nga akong paubanan og kaning PIO sa sunod nilang nga operation kay bisan pa mig ilaming guruyon ngadto di na mo siya madakpan, then we will file cases kay tungod makita sa GPS atong speedboat, kaning atong speedboat bag-o na equip me with GPS. And kaning radar, no? So karon akong giingnan nga kinanglan madakpan gyud og mafailan gyud ni og case ang kaning maong commercial vessel. With a problem with people from Masbate, ubay-ubay naming nadakpan, Sir Art, no? Diri sa amo ang isla sa Karnasa, ubay-ubay mo ginig isda diri gani naatay marine sanctuary diri kaning atong gitawag kaning for diving purposes pwede ra gid makasud ang divers, but for fishing dili kaning ato ang Gato Island.
I see.
Which is very rich with our marine species.
Is that the one facing Malapascua, Mayor Shimura? That Gato Island?
No, Gato Island is located facing Carnasa Island.
Carnasa, okay.
Ato ang Karnasa. Ang malapaswa nato is ang naa diha is ang Damonad Shoal katong treasure sharks.
Okay, ang ato ang kuan ang
Yes.
katong famous unsa shark na to
Treasure sharks.
the treasure shark. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, no, without
Mao ni
the
sila ang
with the coordination also, Mayor Shimura, of the Department of Agriculture. Oh no, the BFAR, I think. I mean, the BFAR, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, nga naa sa sila'y ilahang tao nga mugukod aning mga illegal and commercial fishers. So, dako tingali pong ikatabang because some other municipalities, ilahang gihimo, the coordinated and have a collaboration projects or programs with the BFAR, inigukod nila, appeal yun ang vessels, no, nga ma-impound silbi nga as evidence nga nisud ni sila sa municipal waters.
Yes, Sir Art. Tungod siguro sa kalayo sa ato ang lungsod, we are located in the northernmost tip of Cebu. Wala gid na mabutang diri og tao sa BFAR. The only time na naa is kanang mo-file ta og cases filed in court, especially with a commercial vessel. No?
I see.
But again, kani diri ang ato Coast Guard and PNP may ato ang gigamit for in coordination with our bantay dagat na ang tulo ka units.
So, how many marine or fish sanctuaries you have in your municipality, Mayor Shimura? Considering your municipality is a very rich fishing ground.
Sir, in the island of Malapascua, ang ato ang marine sanctuary, I am talking of dive sites. Kaya ang marine sanctuary, naasad na sa mga mainland. We have a marine sanctuary in Talisay. We have a marine sanctuary in Barangay Aguho. We have a marine sanctuary in Barangay Tapilon. And in Maya also. And Calape. But in our dive sites, sa Malapascua alone, which is also protected through an ordinance being Marine Protected Sanctuary, we have 23.
I see.
23 dive sites, marine protected dive sites. Right now, usa sa ato ang gibuhat, that's why I'm very updated with the number of dive sites because usa sa ato ang thrust during the ECQ, since wala may tourists, walay diving activity, what we did is to prepare for the future nga inig-sugod balik sa turista, makaingon sila there's something new with the dive site. Karon we have purchased mooring buoys. Kaning dagko bitaw kaayo nga mga floating buoys for naay mga suga ni siya, and then sa suga niya naay nakabutang ug unsa na siya nga dive site. Let's say ang Monad Shoal, naay dako nga kuan Monad Shoal, and then naa siya murag ring nga stainless where there's no more drop anchor. You cannot drop your anchor anymore because dropping anchors will damage the corals.
Yeah, exactly.
No? Sa ubos.
I'm very much
karon amo nang gi-purchase. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Gi-purchase na namo ron sa Yes, sir. Gi-purchase na namo karon sa ECQ. During the ECQ amo nang gi-bidding. This is around 1.5 million nga project. Covers 9 big kaning Siam dagko man kayo nga mga dive sites. So 9 big diving sites, mga marine protected sanctuary nga diving sites. Now the remaining nga kuan gi-counterpart pod sa ato ang business sector and diving sectors sa Malapascua.
I see. I'm very much interested, Mayor Shimura, because I am also a certified diver, no? And then I have a lot of friends nga amo ang gitabangan nga to assess marine sanctuary in different municipalities and localities using our mga marine biologists from a local university in Cebu. And in fact, last week, we visited Dalagete, no? And near or within the vicinity sa controversial mining site, the Dolomite. So, mao ni ato ang gi-assess, revalidate. We did it last year and we did it also recently. So, I hope I can visit also your municipality there in Daan Bantayan.
Yes, Sir Art, very soon you can already, since I was given a call just this morning, Just this morning, I was given a call by our tourism designate officer that the province of Cebu, the tourism officer of the province of Cebu, together with Department of Tourism, will be coming here this Saturday, this weekend, to inspect our resorts and dive shops
Wow.
for them to have the temporary certificate of uh, the operation,
I
no? So
see.
that they can operate, especially with this situation right now that we are in.
Okay, but we have already scheduled in Cordoba, Mayor Shimura, this coming Saturday, the 26th of September. Anyway, some other time, we'll be there. Just invite us.
Some other time.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, Art.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So, Mayor Shimura, in our next episode, we'll discuss more of the issue on your farmers, your marginalized farmers. You have a very good program with the Department of Agriculture and, of course, your local tourism. One of the main attractions in your municipality, not only local, but likewise foreign guests of there in your famous resort in Malapuasca. To our televiewers, don't go away after these reminders. Good evening once again, our dear televiewers. This is your host of MyPOLITICS, Art Barrit. Our guest this evening is a mayor of the municipality of Daan Bantayan, Mayor San Judal Shimura, one of the outstanding Cebuano awardee in the field of government service in 2019, one of the youngest mayors in one of the most progressive municipalities of the province of Cebu, the municipality of Daan Bantayan. Mayor San Shimura, kining imuhang programs with the DA, which was launched during your comebacking term as mayor, ang corn production, is it for the consumption sa imuhang mga tao or for production nga maingon ta for the poultry industry in your town and the neighboring island of Bantayan?
Yes, thank you, Sir Art. No, with our livestock, we have sufficient. I am talking for our sustainability sa ato ang lungsod, no. Since we have also our slaughterhouse there, which also caters kaning dool nato nga lungsod, which is ang Santa Fe, na ay isla ang Santa Fe, the Kinatarkan Island, no. So dool man gyud kay isla. This is only 15 minutes pump boat from Kinatarkan Island to Daan Bantayan, no.
Okay.
So poultry, livestock, okay ta, sustainable ang ato ang livestock, no. Karon sa atong program with the Department of Municipal Agriculture Office, akong gibalik ang ato ang program. I have this sun program before sa Utanon Nagmalambuon.
Okay.
No? Sa Utanon Nagmalambuon. Kani siya nga program dugay na kay ni way back 2008 pa sa ni during my first term, no. Kani siya, this is a sustainability within the barangay level sa ilang vegetable production. Ang Daan Bantayan manggod, as I have said, we have 20 barangays, 16 of which is a coastal municipality.
Okay.
Daghan gyud ang isda.
Okay.
So karon, when it comes to vegetables, mo na moy ako ang usapod sa ato ang trust sa ato ang administration, which is nalipay pud ko, especially karon sa pandemic. It's very difficult, no, for let's say dalagit, daghan man gina sila gulay, kadaghanan man gud is ang dalagit mo supply dito sa carbon sa Cebu City. But since during the ECQ and the pandemic started, di na takakuha ang adto, di naman ka biyahe.
Exactly.
Trading man tani ang atong isda to sa Pasil hatod. Ang gulay pod nga gikan sa
Dalagit,
kining
carbon.
gikan sa dalagit, carbon dagan sa diri sa ato. But since tungod aning pandemya ron, I am also very happy with the program sa atong pinalangga nga governor, ang kaming ato ang sugbusog program. Which gani ako, even if we have the sun program sa utanon nagmalambuon, ako gyud gihapon gi-counterpartan ang program sa atong pinalanggang governor, which is ako pud mismo naghimo kog local nga sugbusog program, which kaning which pushes our community karon dili na sa barangay level alone, mismo sa purok system.
I see.
Akong gi-discuss with the governor na better gov nga dili sa barangay kay na may mga purok systems. And I am happy also nga gi-appeal gyud ni Governor Gwen ang purok systems. So mismo ang mga purok na nagtinamnanay na og utanon, no? So meaning in the level of the community sa purok, which is small groups ramang gining purok, murag sityo ni siya. Ug ato ning tan-awon gyud ang purok. These are sityos of the barangay, no? Which one barangay have at least 7 sityo. Maximum gani ang atong dagkong barangay, we have 19 to 20 sityos in our big barangays. So sa sityo level lang daan, tungod sa program ni Governor Gwen, ug with our ato ang support sa nga gihimuan sa natong program, ang provincial government sa purok level ning premyo sila og 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Diri sa ato ang level ni premyo ta og 10,000, 8,000 and 6,000.
I see.
Which ma-push yun ang mga tao nga magpagwapo gyud og tanom, magpadaghan og tanom kay ang kuan ani manggod, we will give them free seedlings. All they have to do is plant it. I-plant nila using mga containerized, there are containerized na backyard farming, na containerized farming, which is magamit pod ang mga recycled, they will also use mga recycled na mga plastics for it, mga kuan. So magamit gyud. So usa na sa atong programa. And then last 2 weeks ago, Director Attorney Diputado of the Department of Agriculture Region 7 visited one of our barangays for our corn scientist nga graduates, no? Kaning ilang program sa DA. And gani, he was very happy. He was very happy when he knew about our program, and he even promised us nga, Mayor, send me a letter, identify the lots sa kaning mga farmers nimo nga corn production karon manggod during the time ni, of course, ang akong predecessor, ang akong stepfather nga si Mayor Luot, naa siya gisugdan nga program kaning corn, kaning pagtanom og daghan nga mais, kay para lagi sa food production ato, no? And then pag human niya, pag sulod nato, ato po ning gisundan sa nga aron ang farmers food naa sa tlay market. So natay program po nga ang LGU mo say mo palit sa maong mga mais, no? And then mo atong ipanghatag sa ato ang mga senior citizens every December. We give them, we have almost close to 9,000 senior citizens, and we give them 5 kilos of corn, yellow corn and white corn nga kanon, no? So karon the director told me if I could identify these farmers and farm lots, he will give out at least a 700,000 pesos worth of a solar irrigation machine. So which made me very happy nga murag nindot kayo ang support from the LGU up to the provincial level ni Governor Gwen, and of course to the regional level sa national, which is si Attorney Diputado, and I'm very grateful for his offer. Karon paspas ko nakig-meeting ko sa mga farmers, all they have to do is ako ginginan ayaw nag-donate kay donation murag mahadlok man ang ayay ang amuang tabay i-donate namo sa gobyerno. So aron dili mo mabalaka, usufruct agreement lang ta, usufructory agreement that by the time nga dili na gamiton para sa matubigan,
pwede na mauli
all the time, even if mauli sa gobyerno sa ilaha. So karon I am having the list. This happened manggod 2 weeks ago. So karon ako na ning gipa-finalize ako ang municipal agriculture officer.
I see.
Ang kaning pag-identify. Yes.
One time, Mayor Shimura, I interviewed Director Salvador Diputado of the Department of Agriculture, no? And he told me about this corn demo project program. the sustainable corn production. So naa na day sa imuhang munisipyo. And how is our soil kuan na to? Kining ingnon ta situation, is it conducive para sa corn? Of course, corn mutubo mo na bisan og tingali batuon ang imuhang yuta. But unsa man gibutangan na to og kining fertilizers o wa lang?
Actually, sir, we have in our barangays, we have naitag 50 hectares, naitag 20 hectares. Tagko kayo ang mga yuta nga gipang donate diri for our food corn production sa atong mga associations. And then of course, ang katong mga yuta nga medyo dili kayo tambok atong giabagan sa atong municipal agriculture, atong gi-requestan pod. Again, we are recipient of 3 tractors, no? At ang tulo ka association already received 3 tractors. Last Saturday also we received also a corn shealer. Murag mo panit, no, kanang machine nga mo dishel, no, dishel sa maong mais nga mo galing. So again, the close coordination and the kining ato ang pagtabangay sa departments in Department of Agriculture and our municipal agriculture office na agyud ang ato ang commitment to help our farmers.
Okay. Do you have already a corn milling plant in your municipality, Mayor San Shimura?
Sa ato ang mga association, sirs, atong ipantagaan. We do not have one in the municipality, but what we did is per association sa atong farmers association.
Yeah. Okay. Now, going back to our, you made mention a while ago regarding that call from the tourism officer of the province nga na ay site visit this coming weekend. So, partially ma-open na, operational ang ato ang local and foreign tourism programs din sa ato ang munisipyo.
A month ago, katong nagsugod na open ang tourism industry sa uban lungsod, we have already submitted also our kaning mga requirements sa DOT and sa Provincial Tourism Office. And right now, we were given the opportunity nga ma-visit nila for them to inspect the required nga mga facilities and mga required nga mga equipments to be used for our dive shops, no, and our resorts. Para matagaan sila og permits sa DOT and sa province of Cebu.
So it will be eventually nga maablihan yun na kay mo ato ang usa sa ato ang ingnon ta attractions in our municipality, Mayor San Shimura. Yes,
being famous for diving sa tourism nato, mora man gyud ni atong Malapaskwa, ang ato ang Carnasa Island. Medyo virgin pa ni ang Carnasa Island kay ang kuryente nga to is through solar pa and generator, gagmay pa kaayo tanan. And then virgin pa gid ang bus, di wa pa gid maunsa nindot kayo. Only si former Governor Lito Osmeña ang tuang ngadto, no, na siya resort ngadto nga dako kayo nga nindot kayo pod. So usa pod na sa attraction, but mainly Daan Bantayan is known for Malapascua Island, which is being marketed by the Europeans, no? Sila na mismo ang mga puti nga mga Europeans may nag-market aning ato ang isla. And of course, lipay pud ta kay pinangga man pud kayo nila ang ato ang mga marine aquatic resources nato, no? So sila mismo nitabang yun ngadto kani karon mga business sectors. I have been in close coordination with them. They have a program for a shredders nga kani mga plastic sa isla. Sila na may mugaling ato sang giawagan, ako sang gipalitan karon og kaning mga glass shredders nga crushers nga mahimo pod nila magamit isagol sa ilang mga hollow blocks, semento. So mismo ang hugaw or ang mga residual nga mga waste sa isla, sila na mismo ni manage. Karon di sila na mismo po naghimo og livelihood program. There's a program sa mga business sectors ron, which I am very happy for their support, especially sa pandemic karon. They're having a livelihood program, mga made of indigenous and mga recyclable materials being sold through online sa mga kaigsuunan sa Europe, sa America, and in the entire globe, no?
Okay,
Through online selling.
Okay, Mayor Shimura, do you still have a lot of foreigners nga natanggong din sa Malapascua?
Mostly atong mga resort owners sa Malapascua, no, are being in partnership with our locals. So naagi nga tanggong, naasagay mo stay na gyud na this is my home already. So nanagid sila diya sa Malapascua, mag-uli-uli lang sa ilang country. And then ang uban mga minyo na pud og locals, naghansad mga gwapo o gwapa na, mga mistiso o mistisa sa isla.
Liwat nimo. Okay, Mayor Shimura, your parting statement on your 3 minutes pahibaw sa imong mga constituente and to our televiewers on your programs, plans nimo sa municipality of Daan Bantayan. Oh, by the way, how is your program Haladaya Festival, the annual Haladaya Festival, Mayor Shimura?
Yes, sir, Art. It's very sad for me to say this is the first time na naputol ang Haladaya Festival since 2004. No, 2000 since 2004. So Haladaya has been here we have been celebrating our festival, of course, in relation sa atuang Saint nga si Saint Rose of Lima, dungan man gini 29-30. We do our Haladaya Festival on the 30th of August, but since 2004 karon lang ni naputol, no, tungod aning COVID-19. So anyway, I have promised to the people of Daan Bantayan nga pag mahuman na ni, then we will strike back, no, nga we will push further nga mas munindot, mas mobibo, mas mulingaw pa ang atong Haladaya Festival, no? So this year wala lang sa gitaron kay tungod we are focusing on the how to protect our constituents with this pandemic that we are facing right now.
Okay. Yeah, your parting statement, Mayor Shimura.
Yes, first and foremost, for Art, I would like to thank you and your program in MyTV.
Thank
and
you
of
very
course,
much.
I heard also na nakakuan punta sa radio program ninyo din na. And I am very grateful for being one of your guests here. It is a pleasure for me to inform, especially our constituents and our friends in the entire province of Cebu and also outside the province of Cebu, especially with our programs and our tourism in Malapascua. Salamat kaayo, Sir Art. For our constituents and our friends, especially our tourists, well, we will be announcing soon through our municipal page kung kano sa mo open balik sa ato ang diving. As soon as we get that certificate sa DOT and that provincial tourism office, we will be posting it in our page and hope to see you here in our town. Again, we will be we are humbly apologizing sa kalisod. Sometimes mas stricto ta sa atong mga protocols, especially we are just here to protect our constituents. Also, our families and friends in the island of Malapascua. The island of Malapascua is a very small island, no, consisting only of almost 2,000 households, no nya. We are just protecting them also, no. Ang atong kapitan pod is also very hesitant, but tungod ani karon nga MGCQ nata, we have to open and of course we have to resuscitate our economy, no. So again, we will see you soon here sa ato ang mga tourist sites, ato ang mga diving sites sa Malapascua. Rest assured also sa ato ang mga friends nga nay mga pamilya diri sa Daan Bantayan that also we will be also focusing on the sustainability of the livelihood in support. Gani karon I have requested DBM kay there is ibalik man kuno nila ang kaning bayanihan act 2. Good for my 25,000 households in the municipality, I have requested kaning one household, one sack of 50 kilo rice. Ako ning gi-request sa DBM karon kung mahatag na, then in the future, before Christmas, hopefully, mahatag na to ang tag sa kasako nga 50 kilo sa paninalay. If not, then we will be pushing for 25 kilo. Pero kanimanggod, as I've said, it is up to the national government, DBM, ang maong pondo. So, again, we will be looking always to the sustainability sa livelihood ug sa kanunon permi sa ato mga kaigsuunan, especially those people nga wala pa intaw na nabalik sa trabaho nila.
Okay.
So again, Sir Art, thank you so much for the time.
Thank you very much, Mayor Shimura, and you forgot to mention to mention the latest acquisition that you have, the photocopying machine for our Department of Education. No, imuhan ni distribute to the different schools nga ma-reproduce ang ilahang mga modules. It's a very good and great help to our students also, Mayor Shimura. So thank you very much,
Thank you,
Mayor,
Sir Art,
for your time and your hectic schedule for guesting our program this evening.
Thank you, Sir Art.
Okay, this is
Hope to see you soon.
see you soon, also Mayor Shimura, for the diving. Okay, our guest, my dear viewers, is our municipal mayor of Daan Bantayan, Mayor Shimura. And thank you very much. And this is your host, Art Barrit, manamilit na lagmuingon, nga samtang muhingos pang ilong sa tao. Iyang mga pangandoy og tingos bawan, way katapusan. Daghang salamat and good evening.